good news about Jesus as called to John chapter 21 from verse 15 to verse 25. Jesus and Peter talk. After they done yam, Jesus asked Simon Peter say, Simon, John boy pick me. You love me more than all you love them, yeah? Yes, Lord, Simon say, you know say me love you. So Jesus say, feed me baby sheep them. Jesus asked him again say, Simon, John boy pick me. You love me for true? Him answer, yes, Lord, you know say me love you. Jesus said to him say, take care of my sheep them. For the third time, Jesus asked him say, Simon, John boy pick me, you love me? Peter didn't feel away, cause at 3 times now Jesus asked say, you love me? So him say, Lord, you know everything. You know say me love you. Then Jesus said to him say, feed me sheep them. Me I tell you for true, when you did sumala, you put on your own clothes and you go anywhere you want to go. But when you get old, you go and stretch out your hand them, and other people when put on your clothes and take you go which part you don't want to go. No, Jesus did not talk about the way how Peter did not go dead and how him will make God get big up because of the way him dead. Then Jesus said to him, say, follow me. Peter turned around and see the other follower where Jesus did love. The said one where did sit alongside of Jesus when time them did a name the last supper. Him same one did ask Jesus say, Lord, who are going to sell you out? When Peter see him said to Jesus say, Lord, what going to happen to him? Jesus said to him say, if me want him to live till me come back, what make that a bother you? You just follow me. So sake of Jesus says so, he did a go around amongst the brother and sister them say, that follower, they did a go dead. But on that Jesus did say, him say, if me want him to live till me come back, what make that a bother you? And this are the follower we see the whole of them sitting here for himself and tell people about them. And him write them down, and all of we know say a true him attack. Jesus the Holy Father sitting. If everything did for write down in a book, space wouldn't there in the world for hold all of the book them where people would have write. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.